So this is assignment 4, module 4. And these questions are basically algebraic questions, solving equations and so forth. So here it is on assignment 4. Here it is in the left side of the window. On the right side is our worksheet. And here's the acronym BEMDAS. All what's in the bracket, do it first. Exponent after, multiply, divide, come interchangeably, then add and subtract. I created a modification because I wanted to introduce that some symbol in mathematics. Whenever you see the symbol, it means to add, it means to sum. Now both subtract and sum starting with S. So here now I choose to use S for subtract and this Greek symbol for sum or addition. So it's like BEMS. Okay, the whole point is that addition and subtraction come in at the end. All right, so familiarize yourself with this symbol. Whenever you see this symbol, just know that you have to sum. So question number 1 says solve each of these equations. So equation has an equal sign. It has a left side and a right side of the equal sign. And to solve for x, x is the unknown value. What value plus 6 will give us 10, for example? Now, when you're solving for x, you have to try to cancel out all the numbers that are with x to try to isolate x by itself. And here we have 2 examples. We'll start with this example. So as I'm doing this with this example, you can be doing this with the questions in number 1 for assignment 4. You have 3 of them to do, very simple questions. So please, as you are doing this, you are advancing on your assignment 1 time. So x plus 5 is equal to 31. Now we have to cancel out a plus 5. To cancel out a plus 5, you subtract 5. Now if you subtract 5 on the left, you have to subtract 5 on the right. They call that the golden rule of algebra. Whatever you do on the left side, you do on the right side. Whatever you do on the right side, you do on the left side. So we are canceling out a plus 5 by subtracting 5. And 5 subtract 5 will give us 0. 31 subtract 5 will give us 26. So the answer is 26. And you can prove your answer if you substitute 26 here. 26 plus 5 will give us 31. We are going to attempt this example here. X minus 7 is equal to 21. So here we have x subtract 7 is equal to 21. We want to solve for x. What number take away 7 will give us 21? So what we need to do now is to cancel out a negative 7 from the left side. You cancel out a negative 7, or you cancel out a subtracting 7, or you cancel out a 7 that's going on the left by putting a 7 that's going on the right, which is a positive 7. So if we put a positive 7 on this side of the equation, we have to put a positive 7 on the other side of the equation. Whatever you do on one side, you have to repeat it on the other side for balance to be maintained. So negative, if you take out 7 from 7, you're going to get 0. So basically, we are left with x alone on this side, on the left side, is equal to, and 21 plus 7 will give us 28. And you can prove your answer if you put x, if you put 20 there, 28 subtract 7 will give us 21. So the answer is 28. So here we have 2 simple linear equations to solve. That's number 1.